Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with the Pressure Cleaning School, pressurecleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. It's BUYday Friday, so every Friday we put on something special, and today we're putting on sale the wrap cleaner, Rucker's all-purpose cleaning product. This is a great product, can be used for a lot of different things. We use it sometimes in our house wash or roof wash mix. It can also be used for cleaning the tiger stripes off of gutters, restoring oxidation off of metal roofs or metal buildings, EFS, stucco. I've used it many times to remove fire soot from charcoal grills or a house or apartment building that caught on fire. We've also used it for dumpster pad cleaning, grease, oil stains, just a lot of different uses that can help you eliminate carrying different products and use one product. It's all surfactants, it's all natural, there's nothing harmful in it. The biggest thing is there's no water in it, so you're going to have to add water to it in order to use it. So it's a great value. The average ratio that we start at is about 12 to 1 to 15 to 1, and then oftentimes we go up from there, adding more water as we need to for different jobs that we do. But it's normally $40 a gallon, and this weekend, starting today, BUYday Friday, they'll be $25 a gallon. We also have it in 5-gallon buckets, and they're normally, I think, $175. We're going to put them on sale for, I think, $150 for a 5-gallon pail. So all you have to do is go to DougRuckerStore.com. We'll have the sale price already in there. You don't have to enter a code or anything like that. It'll be there for the whole weekend. Monday, it goes back to its normal pricing of $40 a gallon or $175 a 5-gallon pail. There they are right there. So excellent product. Man, we just use it all the time. And we've got several guys out there that have used it and loved it. We used it last week to clean gutter streaks, the tiger striping off of gutters on a house. And just works wonderful doing that. One of the biggest things you don't have to worry about with this product is it's not going to spot or stain the surface underneath it or whatever it touches. Doesn't have any ether, doesn't have any butyl in it, anything like that. So it's great for just a wide variety of types of services. So BUYday Friday, get your wrap. It's on sale. Start ordering. Y'all take care. Have a blessed day and a great weekend.